Hi, I'm Karen with Marketing Words, and I want to take just a minute to give you some really quick instruction on how to put an image into a frame. Some people call these shapes. It's super easy and it can really kick up your design elements. So let's take a look at this empty Canva profile. And what we're going to do is look at frames. You can either type in frame there and then go to see all, or you can look across this bar that's below the search bar and just click on frames, and that would do it also. If you only have a Canva free account, you will want to go up to the search bar and click on free. If you have a Canva Pro account, then you'll be able to use anything that you see without any additional charge. These are all of the free frames that Canva provides. And as you can see, they come in a lot of different shapes. And all of them, you are able to drag a picture into the shape and it will take the form of the shape. And as you can see, there's some letters and some numbers and everything in the world in here. Picture frames, video frames, cell phone frames, emergency frames, all kinds are provided free. So I am going to just to show you one trick. Let's just grab this starburst and we can click on the handle and drag it so it's bigger and you'll be able to see. You notice the crossbars pop up to let me know when it's perfectly centered vertically and horizontally. Then you can either choose something that you've uploaded. If you're working with clients and they've sent you a picture that they want, you can drag that in and it will take the shape of whatever frame you're using. If it doesn't appear exactly where you want it to, you can simply double click and then you can move it around to get exactly the way you want to. Once you do that, just click off into an empty space somewhere and it will hold that position. So let's take a look at some other frames. Go back to elements and frames. I'm going to delete both of these. And let's go down to, how about some letters? Let's do some letters. I'm just going to click and drag, and I'm just picking letters. You can resize these by dragging on the handle, or if you know exactly what size you want it to be, you can click on position up at the top and go over to the width and the height in these boxes and make it whatever you want. I'm just going to drag. You also notice the alignment bar that's popping up. So you can see when it's the same size. So I'm just going to use that for our example. Click the handle, drag it until it's the same size. And I'm going to hold my shift key and click on each one of these and then make them all a little bit smaller so they'll fit on the artboard that we're working on. Go back to elements, click out of our search, and I'll just say baby. I want to do photos. You could do graphics and put those in there if you wanted to. And again, go to free if you have a free Canva account, and you just pick photos. Here are some of the same baby. And here's a third one, okay? Drag those over. Well, you notice that on these, the baby's face is not very visible. So we're going to double click and move that over a bit so you can see the baby's face better. And the same here. Let me see which way I want to go. I guess I'll go to the left with this as well. Yep. And there you have the baby's initials or whatever with photos inside the frames. You can do this with any of the frames that you find. We'll click frame here, see all. You can do it with a computer shape or a laptop shape cell phone shape. There's all sorts of different things in here that you can use. And the process applies to the same steps in the process every single time. So if you have questions about inserting photos or images into shapes, leave them below. I'm happy to help. I'm Karon Thackston with Marketing Words. Hope you have a great day.